everyone, it is Elise Cabret here from DAWter, here to help you write and record the songs of tomorrow. If you love songwriting and you'd like to take your songs from beginner to professional, then please consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, and I'm really excited to show you this one, I'm going to show you how to build an entire chorus from just one simple melodic idea, or hook. And we're going to do all of this in just 3 simple steps. Before you watch this video, I strongly recommend that you go back and watch my last video on hook writing if you haven't seen that one. That's just going to give you the fundamentals of writing hooks that you're going to then use in this video. Sound good? All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to start building our chorus is, of course, that initial melodic idea, that hook. Now, remembering from what we learned in the last video, that hook is going to contain usually around 3 to 4 notes and be quite simple, all right? So the hook I'm going to use in this video as an example goes something like this. Da 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 da. It's pretty simple, right? If you're wanting to just give this a go and for the purposes of practice, then please don't stress too much about how good your hook is. Just come up with something simple. In order to turn that little melody into a full chorus section, we're going to need to take 3 simple steps. So step 1. The first thing we're going to need is a chord progression. Now there's lots of different types of chord progressions, but for this example, I'm going to keep things really simple and I'm going to use a simple 4-bar progression. I'm not going to go into the music theory behind putting chords to melodies in this video. That's for a different video. But if you're unsure on how to do this, the easiest way to do it is just to sing your melody, play some chords and choose some that sound good. A really good songwriting hack that I use all the time is I don't even worry about playing the full chord. I just play the bass notes. D, B, G, D. The bonus of playing bass notes is that they're A, super easy, and B, you don't have to worry about the chord quality, whether it's a major or a minor or a diminished or whatever. We can work that out later. All we're wanting to do right now is find some bass notes that fit nicely under our melody. Make sense? All right, let's move on. Step 2. Sing your melody over the top of this 4-chord progression, just singing the exact same thing 4 times in a row, like this. 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. There we go. That actually sounds pretty nice. I think the chord choices are nice and they are supporting that melody really well. However, the best melodies are always about that balance between repetition and variation. And this particular melody is quite repetitive. So what I want to do now is introduce some of that variation. This brings us to step 3. And that is to come up with a second melodic idea that introduces a bit of variation to our hook. So I'm just going to start singing other things that sound good over these chords, keeping it real simple. Da, da. So we're starting with da 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 da. That actually was quite good. See how that was just one note and kind of works. Da 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 da. So we could use that. What else can I come up with? Da 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 da. I like that one. That's really pretty. Da da da. So that is we'll call that our B hook or our B melody. So our A melody is da 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 da, and our B melody is da da da. Nice and simple. So now we've got these 2 melodies to work with, 2 little hooks. Right, now on to step 3. And this is our last step. So now we have 2 different melodic ideas. We can start piecing them together and trialing them out in different combinations. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So our first combination was just with the one hook. If this is our first combination, da 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 da. That would be A. Okay? Now let's introduce that B melody in here. Let's try A, B and see how that sounds. Da 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 da. Little surprise at the end there. That was pretty nice. But I still think there's a better combination. So let's try a different one. Let's try A, B. Da 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 da. That was actually really lovely. I like that one. Let's try B, A. So B is da 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 da. That was really nice too. So I think in these last two combinations that we've tried, it's felt really balanced and beautiful. And depending on what your hook is, different combinations are going to work better. So this is the creative fun part, is literally just trying different combinations of A and B over 4 chords and hearing what's best for your melody. That's all there really is to it. Now, of course, this is a creative process. So if while you're doing this, you come up with a different variation, we'll call that C. Of course, you can use that in your chorus. You can do an A, B, C, A, or an A, B, A, C. But I would suggest starting with just 2 melodies to begin with, A and B, and trialing different combinations of those. Remember, the best melodies are usually the most simple ones, so we'll start by keeping it really simple. And there you have it. That's how to build a chorus, starting with one simple melodic hook. I hope you find this useful in your songwriting. I find this process is a really good place to start when I have that initial idea and I want to try and flesh it out and build a whole chorus section. If you try this out yourself, please let me know in the comments how you go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and help me grow this channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Elise Cabret. Happy songwriting, and I'll see you next time.